Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a banana cheesecake slider. So we're going to begin. Okay, I've got a 1/4 cup of Baker's Basic Cake Mix, which is basically 1 serving here. I'm just putting it in a bowl with 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. Again, do not forget to use unsalted butter. Salted butter does not make a good crust like this unsalted butter does, because there's already a little bit of pink salt in the Baker's Basic Mix. So now I got my crust. So now what I'm gonna do is take my cream cheese frosting. Okay, I've got that made up. I'm gonna put a little bit of it in a bowl here. And you can do one of 2 things, guys. If you're a severe diabetic and you've really got to watch your carbs, you can just add a 1/4 teaspoon banana extract to this, okay? You can do that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mash up a little bit of a banana and add it in here, but I don't know, I'm wondering if I was doing it for myself, I probably would do the banana extract. But I've got a class today, and I'm showing this to all my people in my class, and you know what it tastes like when you have, it tastes like a chunky cheesecake, like it's so delicious. And you know what, I'm gonna put a teeny bit of banana extract in here anyway, just to make it taste more like banana. Anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon is all you need. So we're gonna mix this up. And it does look a little bit runny right now, but if you put this in the refrigerator, it gets hard, just so you know. I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is add whipped cream and chocolate chips. So you got a chocolate chip banana cheesecake slider. And this is how fast it happens, guys. This is how fast all my recipes are. When you have 11 kids, like, you don't have time to be in the kitchen all day cooking for yourself. So everything's gotta be fast. And it's gotta be healthy, or else people like me with heart failure drop dead. So that's why we're here, guys, okay? Come see us. Go to HealthyTreatsMarket.com and you can see more recipes like this. Or if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.